up, beauties? Welcome back to my channel. As you know, I'm Tanisha and my channel is Glamorous Mimi. So welcome back. Excuse me. So this is a fall look. I did not know where I was going with this look, so I did something and I put something together and I love it. So yeah, so make sure you follow my social media, give this video a thumbs up, yes, and try to get me to 1K subscribers, like 1,000. So I'm rooting myself, so I know I'm gonna get it, y'all. You just don't understand. I know I'm gonna get it. So yeah, this is a fall look and it's not well put together. I did not know where I'm going with this look, so I did something. So I did the colors by the shade and I use it's my Ray Ray palette throughout the video. One palette, I just try to stick to one palette and one palette only. So I try to do that and I did. So the lips I went with is like all different shade. I used some shade I made for myself. I used my ColourPop in Gas. I ordered this way a long time ago. But this is the complete look. Yes, 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 yes. But I'm not gonna chit chat no longer, and y'all, let's roll into the video. Hey you guys, I'm back with another video, and this is a fall makeup, and I don't exactly know what the look I'm going for. Hopefully it'll come through as I'm going through this video, but I'll be using my Ray Ray palette, and I'm trying to stick to this one palette so I won't be all over the place. Hopefully I will. So right now my face is primed and I'm doing my eyes. So, and to prime my eyes, I'm using my It's Cosmetic by under eye. So, and this shade is too light for my under eye, so I use it as my eyelid primer. As you see, this is a beautiful palette and it's got wonderful shades in here. So this is the highlighting section and this is the contour. So yeah, but I'm gonna start up with this pancake shade as a transition shade. So yeah. I'm going to take this shade Mousse right here and just put it on top of that transition shade. I'm going to take Sunset and put it in my divining area. Now I'm going to use this wonderful brush that I got up my Etsy bag this month. This luxury brush from Wonder Woman collection. It's a details taper blending brush. So I'm going to use this. And I'm going to take Friday and Honey mixed together to put in my inner corner of my eye. And I'm taking Passion to put on my eyelid, and I did miss my brush. That's why I'm not touching it right now. I'm going to take Fairy Tale and put in my inner tear duct. I'm going to take Angel and put on top of Fairy Tale right here. So my eyeliner is already on, and I'm taking my telescopic mascara to put my mascara, my top lash, and my bottom lash. And I'm taking my NYX foundation and apply it on my face as a foundation. And I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer and putting on my concealer my dark circles. I use my new Airspun powder to set for my concealer. I'm going to take Sunset and Friday and put it on my lower lid. So this is my final fall look, and now it's on to the lips. So this is my finished look. It's not more of a fall look for everybody else, but it's a fall look for me, and I like this look. Totally awesome. So thank you for watching. Give this video a big old thumbs up, and make sure you be a part of my family by pressing that red button at the bottom. And I see y'all beauties in the next video. Bye.